Hey there, everybody. So today is Wednesday, April 20th, Replenishment Day. And so I've been on my reports checking out how the month is shaped up month to date and hoping to put out a challenge to all of you guys for a month-end challenge. But in the meantime, and today, I wanted to share a little piece of advice with you guys. Excuse the appearance, just got back from a run. But I have discovered since watching Whitney Husband be interviewed by Richard Bliss Brooke, which I posted earlier this week on our Facebook page, this fella called Big Al. And I think Jennifer simultaneously discovered him also because we were talking about it the other day. And this guy, I don't know how, I have not discovered him in the past 4 years of doing this business, but this guy actually has some pretty good tips and tricks on how to catch people's attention. He in particular obviously was a big influence to Whitney Husband and her phenomenal growth in 2.5 years with another direct sales company is just astronomical. If you didn't get a chance to listen to that podcast that I posted, check it out. It's about an hour long, and don't pay attention to the company she's with, but pay attention to what she shares with in regard to the number of people, why she did this, because she talks about her why was the most important part of gaining the momentum to build her business. And then she also talks about social media because she lives in a little town of almost 2,000 people in East Texas and has a very small network. So she used social media to build one of the largest direct sales legs of all 100 top companies in the United States. I think annually she does about $10 million in sales in her downline. She lives in a double wide trailer in East Texas. 2.5 years ago was on food stamps. And she built this business in her early mid-20s strictly using social media. Now her words that she uses are very important. She never really shares exactly what she says. So I took it to the level and just started listening to Big Al and what he is training people on. And I'm assuming it was that information she used to create her messaging and how she reached out to new people and created momentum for her business. So just yesterday, I wanted to test this idea. And so I mashed up a couple of things that Big Al shared on a couple of different short videos that I watched of his, and I sent this exact message. Well, I obviously customized it a little bit for each of these 5 people that I messaged this to yesterday, and every one of them responded to me. Now, I've never had that kind of a response rate ever with sending an instant message to people that typically ignore me. So I was astonished how these words, and he calls them magic words, really made a difference. So I'm going to share with you right now what it is that I put into an instant message. Again, I made it more personal on the front end and the bottom end, but the gist of the message was this. I said, I'm reaching out to you today to start a conversation. Most people I show this business to get excited and want to join me. Some don't. I am just curious. Are you interested in making money and helping others do the same? If so, let's talk. Simply respond to this message and we'll set up a time to get together. Now, I sent this to 5 people yesterday, and all 5 of them actually responded. Now, what were the responses like? They ran the gamut. I had 2 who are existing PCs say they love their products, but they're not interested in the business. I just consider those a no, not now. One of them is an old friend of mine, a man who is in the music industry out of Nashville. We were friends, then we were unfriended, and then we've been friends again. And we watch each other, but I messaged him specifically and I was shocked that he responded, but he did. His message was he knows a lot of people in his market that are very successful with this business and do very well financially. For him personally, it's not the right choice because his days are so full. He's a Christian music minister and producer and writer of music and travels the country, has 4 children, and his wife is ill. So he said it's just not a right fit for them, but he wishes me well, and if he thinks of anyone to refer, he would certainly do that. So that's 3. And then the other 2 responded and said they would like to hear more. So we're setting up a time to chat by phone. So a response rate of 100% using those exact words was pretty astonishing to me. So if you haven't had a chance and you're interested, Google on YouTube, well, not Google, search on YouTube, Big Al, and find his little videos. I'm going to share with you again in writing underneath this video what I wrote to my prospects yesterday. So you can see exactly in writing how I did that and made it more personal. And then my wish and my hope for you is that you would take these magic words and put them to use for yourself. If you really want to recruit and build a team and help other people make money, and remember that is the key to this, is not only are you in business, but you're helping other people to get into business, is really the kicker in building an organization of people who help to, help others. So good luck, everybody. This was just a little tutorial for you today. And again, I'm horrified by the way I look in this video, but I wanted to do it right now while the urge hit me and before I got in the shower. So let's build big the end of April and start gaining some momentum and watching your teams flourish. That is my wish for you, and my goal for you is to help you to do that. Have a great day, and let's make April your best month ever.